look right now. Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll want to hit that subscribe button. Yes, I said it. I would love to get to know you. If you're new, leave me a comment down below. And if you're returning, say, hey, what's up? I can't wait to see what's going on in your life and if you like this bag or not. So my Ipsy Creator bundle came for August and we have 5 deluxe size samples. And yeah. If you guys watch Alexandria Ryan, I watched her unboxing of Ipsy, and she had said that there was full-size items, but I think you just get the full-size prices because it does say deluxe size samples, but it also says members can choose one, which I did not know. So let's get into this. We have 5 deluxe size samples. The first thing we have is Farrah Beauty, and this here is an eyeshadow quad. It's actually pretty tiny, although it looks kind of big there, but it really is kind of tiny. There's 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. Okay, next. I can't read this. Can you? Poreless skin cream. Whatever that means. Let's just go ahead and see the consistency. Maybe we can figure out what it is from, you know that. Okay, let's put some on. Nope, feels like a moisturizer. Don't know if it's going to do anything or not, so we'll have to try that out. Okay, next we have by Memoir, and this is a body lotion. Ooh, vanilla frosting. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it's okay. Probably uses a hand cream because I could only do like half my body, I think, with that. All right, next, moving on. What is this? What are you? Give Them Lala Beauty. Lala Beauty, I guess. I don't know what this is. It's got like a little seal on it. Not for resale. Okay. So they are samples, right? They're not full size. There's no way this stuff is full size. But you know, I've said it before and I'll say it again. The only good thing these are for is traveling, you know? Or just trying something. But okay, I wouldn't be mad if they gave us full-size items in there. Okay, so I don't know what this is because I can't brow gel. We just got one of these last month. Yeah, and it's like super light. I don't even think it would really do much. Okay, the last thing is by Fan Fest. No, Hyper Black by Benefit. I don't know what Fan Fest is, so we're gonna open this. Is it a mascara? Yeah, it is a mascara. Ooh, I like that wand. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, all right, I like that. Very cool. Let me show you the bag and then we'll recap. Nice cloth bag. So we have a little tassel. We have, oh, I closed it instead of opening it. Oh, did I just get mascara? All right. So we have the mascara by Benefit. Then we have the Give Them Lala or Lala Beauty brow gel. The lotion. The poreless moisturizer, I guess you'd call it. And the Farrah brushes is what I usually call them, but I guess it's Farrah Cosmetics, the eyeshadow quad. So what did you think of my glam bag? Let me know. That's everything. $13 a month. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. I do not have values for any of that stuff, but again, they are deluxe beauty samples, it says. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I will be posting my Boxycharm and my icon box, so stay tuned. And again, if you have not subscribed, would you hit that subscribe button? Would you take a chance on this channel? I love to do things beauty and lifestyle related, and yeah, say hello to me down in the comments. I can't wait to talk to you there, and I'll see you real soon in another video.